We're doing some work with community associations here in the Evergreen Negro Cemetery in inner parts of Houston.
We have been surveying the cemetery using ground penetrating radar, LIDAR, and electromagnetic metal detection, looking to see if we can find any signs of unmarked graves.
The idea is to try to reunite legacy families, to identify burials, commemorate them, as well as discover where there are not burials. Because in this particular site there is intended to be reinterments of burials from other parts of the area.
This is one aspect of geophysical work that we don't really learn about in classes. So it's nice to actually do the research and get the experience working out here, doing something that's good for the community, but also something that really puts into practice what I've learned in the classroom.